Hello quiz buddies and welcome back to Quiz University.
30 questions, one periodic table. How many can you get right? From atomic numbers to chemical symbols, we're testing your chemistry IQ right now. Don't forget to subscribe for more such informative videos. What is the smallest unit of an element that retains its properties? Two. Atom. An atom is the basic building block of an element. Which of these is a symbol for gold? Three. A U. A U comes from the Latin word aurum. A substance made of two or more elements chemically combined is a... 2. Compound. Compounds consist of different atoms bonded together in fixed ratios. What are the horizontal rows in the periodic table called? One. Periods. Horizontal rows are periods. Vertical columns are groups. Which element has the atomic number 1? 3. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the first and simplest element in the periodic table. Elements in group 18 are known as 2. Noble gases. Noble gases are characterized by their lack of chemical reactivity. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? 2. Na comes from the Latin word natrium. Which of the following is a compound? 2. Water, H2O. Water contains hydrogen and oxygen chemically bonded. What particle in an atom has a positive charge? 3. Proton. Protons are positive, electrons are negative, and neutrons are neutral. Where are the nonmetals located on the periodic table? 2. Right side. Most nonmetals are found on the upper right side of the table. Which element is the primary component of diamonds? 2. Carbon. Diamonds are a solid form of pure carbon. The vertical columns of the periodic table are called 3. Groups. Groups contain elements with similar chemical properties. What is the symbol for iron? 2. Fe. Fe comes from the Latin word ferrum. Which of these is a diatomic element in its natural state? 2. Nitrogen. Nitrogen exists naturally as N2 molecules. What is the charge of an electron? 2. Negative. Electrons carry a fundamental negative charge. Elements that have properties of both metals and nonmetals are 1. Metalloids. Metalloids sit along the staircase line of the table. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's atmosphere? 2. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the air we breathe. Which group contains the most reactive metals? Group 1. Alkali metals are highly reactive, especially with water. What does the atomic number represent? 2. Protons. The atomic number is defined by the number of protons in the nucleus. Which of the following is a halogen? 2. Chlorine. Chlorine is a member of group 17, the halogens. Table salt, NaCl, is an example of 3. A compound. Sodium and chlorine chemically bond to form the compound salt. What is the symbol for potassium? Three. K. K comes from the Latin word kalium. Which subatomic particle has no electrical charge? 3. Neutron. Neutrons are neutral particles found in the nucleus. Most of the elements in the periodic table are 1. Metals. About 80% of known elements are classified as metals. Which gas is produced when an acid reacts with a metal? 3. Hydrogen. This reaction typically displaces hydrogen gas from the acid. What is the chemical formula for methane? 2. CH4. Methane consists of 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms. Which noble gas is used in balloons to make them float? 3. Helium. Helium is much lighter than air and non-flammable. The mass number of an atom is the sum of 2. Protons plus neutrons. Which element is represented by the symbol C? 3. Carbon. Carbon is the basis for all organic chemistry. What is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature? 2. Mercury. Mercury remains in liquid form under standard conditions.